Snapchat Ads for Beginners in 2025, a free course. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. If you've been sleeping on Snapchat Ads, 2025 is your wake-up call. With CPMs way cheaper than Meta, TikTok, or even Google, and attention spans shorter than ever, Snapchat is low-key one of the most underrated ad platforms right now, specifically if you're targeting Gen Z and younger millennials. I mean, let's be honest. I would definitely skip a video or scroll or swipe up if it's longer than 10 seconds and it doesn't get my attention. So in this video, I'm going to give you a full beginner-friendly walkthrough on how to run your first Snapchat ads campaign step-by-step for free, from setting up your account to choosing your audience, ad creatives, and even optimization tricks by the end of this video. So let's get straight into it. First things first, you'll have to create your Snapchat ads account. We're going to head over to ads.snapchat.com. This is for business, snapchat.com. This is snapchat.com. We're going to head over to Snapchat ads. Let's open that in the next link. This is for businesses, and to be able to start up your Snapchat ads account, you will need to first log in or create your business account. Let's click on get started. You should either get started and set your business account or convert your normal Snapchat account to your business account, or else you can simply just log in. Let me just quickly log into mine. Okay, so after logging in, this is how the dashboard looks like. Here's where you're going to be choosing your first objective. Now that I'm logged in and I'm going to start building by creating my ads, I love to choose my objective. You can either work with your existing campaign, but since we're building everything from scratch, so let's start off with something that generates awareness and engagement. Maybe you have a brand or you have a brand identity. You want to just get people to engage with your content. So let's head with this one. And you have the option to either manually build everything up or you have the options to make your automatic clicks campaign. Let's select that one. We're going to head over and go through manuals as well further on into this video. So we're waiting for the Snapchat AI to actually get the work done on itself. Keep in mind that you can only create all of the stuff after you have a business account set up. A business address is pretty useful. It's necessary. It's required. This is my ad design. Basically, you can import images from your website or upload assets as your creative ad. You can choose your brand name. You can choose the headline that you want to put up on it. You can have a call to action like buy tickets right now. You can also have a website URL, which is your website. Then you have the option to basically add in your media. We have our objective defined. We can have website visits, app installs, video views to catalog sales and lead generations. We are just working on brand engagement, right? But if you were just starting on, I would definitely recommend website conversions if you're promoting a product or an affiliate links. Make sure to give your campaign a clear name, like here, it's just XYZ for the sake of this video, but you have to give your campaign and your brand name a specific clear name. So everything is pretty clear and concise. Now that this is done, we have to set up our budget and schedule. You'll have to set your daily budget. Like you can start small. This is 30. This is too much. We can start something like $10 per day. And you can choose a start date and time, duration for 7 days. But it says the budget should be at least 20. So let's make it 25. Okay. Snapchat recommends automatic bidding for beginners, and I definitely agree because you have to keep an auto until you've got data, and then you can test everything out manually later. Let me head over, and then you have to choose your audience. Here is where Snapchat really shines in 2025 because you can target people by age, gender, location, interest, behavior, and even device types. I mean, that's how much they curated for you. Like, let's just say you want a certain ad to be running only on your Samsung A50. It's definitely only going to be showing on Samsung A50. For now, the age, you can decide it to be people up from 25 to 44. And location, let's just say you live in Pakistan, but you want to be showing your ad somewhere in Kuwait. So Kuwait can also work that way. You can also choose interests and lifestyles, but that option comes up when you're manually editing this. And then you also have to choose your type. Like, for example, my interest would be fitness and wellness. I could work with something like supplement shoppers, but that is if I'm running a campaign or a website conversion. This is just a brand engagement type. So step number Next step is to upload your creative stuff, where it's right here, upload your media. Okay, this is where you create your actual ad, and here's where Snapchat differs from Facebook or TikTok. You can select it from library, even from your website. You can import it from your website. You can also upload assets, videos, and photos both. Snapchat users hate looking at overly polished ads, so you'll have to think very native. Think of yourself. I mean, if you're a Snapchat user, what sort of ads would you definitely skip on? Which ads get your attention? Which ads catch up your eye? So you have to think raw. Your ad should feel like it belongs in a story. It can be a vertical video, a photo, or an animated graphics, but it should be fast and emotional enough to tap in and hook the viewers in just the first 3 seconds. I'll give you an idea of a winning formula. I mean, you can start off with the bold hook test, like don't try this if you want to stay broke. One, it entices emotion. 2, it's catering to people who want to make money. 3, it's pretty quick. And then you can show the product or end result in the action, and you can end it with a strong call to action like swipe up to learn more or tap to download for free. This way, Snapchat provides a built-in creative library and instant ad builder. So even if you don't have video editing skills, you're covered. You can upload your media from here and add in a call to action like shop now. And this is where traffic goes after swiping up. Maybe make it more user-friendly. I mean, any edits that I'm making out, they're showing up. This is how they're going to be showing up onto the device. Like buy tickets right here. This is the campaign's name. And this is how they can just swipe it up. Now, once all is done, you'll have to simply click on publish. But before that, you'll also need to install the Snap Pixel. This is really crucial. You'll have to head over to the events manager and install the Snap Pixel on your website. This is important because this is what lets you track all of your conversions, like the purchases, the swipe ups, sign ups, or leads. So Snapchat can optimize your ads. Let's head over to events manager. I mean, if you're on Shopify or WordPress or ClickFunnels, there's a native integration or plugin. But otherwise, you can just paste the base code in your site's header. This is the events manager where you can connect your data and gain actionable insights for your business. You can click on new event source. As you can see, I have events manager and the pixel thing already installed, but if you haven't, all you'll need to do is simply click on events manager and it's going to automatically lead you to pixels. I have pixels already. So now that this is all done, the last step for us to do is to launch and monitor everything. Let me quickly just show you how to set up pixels as well. So this is Pixels. We're going to create a pixel for your business and assign it to different ad accounts and catalogs. You can visit Event Manager to view all of your activity. From right here, you can simply click on Create Pixel, add in a name for Pixel. Let's just name it with XYZ, the same one we created, and simply click on Create. Now that Pixel is set up as well, we're going to head back over to our campaign and we're going to sort of publish it. This is our ad account, all the custom conversions. You can see that all of it is right here. You can click on custom conversions to create certain custom conversions as well. You'll also need to set up Pixel. Now let's head back over to our ad campaign. Yeah, here's where we were going to personalize our ad. Now we're back onto our ads. Make sure that you have a go through of all the details and simply just click on publish. Now what you have to do is simply just wait. Now this is published. You'll have to wait, but you don't have to just set and forget it. Head to your dashboard after 24 to 48 hours and to look up to these KPIs. You have to see the swipe up rate, maybe in the events manager, in your pixels, in your apps. You'll have to head over and see the cost per click, how many people have clicked up, the lower the better, and the conversion rate. I mean, this one is a big one because are people actually taking action or not? Now, I'll give you some final tips and outro because let me hit you with some rapid fire tips before we wrap everything up. Your creativity is king. Test out at least 3 different variations to start. Like from the beginning where we were starting to generate the ads, there were 3 different options to either start off with brand engagement, different ads, so on and so forth. And then also make sure to keep your videos under 10 seconds because under 10 seconds is where the call to action pops. And don't scale anything too fast. Let the algorithm learn for 3 days minimum before touching anything. Also use the UTM parameters on your links to track performance. And that's a wrap on this free Snapchat ads course for 2025. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.